Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to watch movies together virtually. You can watch this movie with your friends and with your any if you are a couple it is best for you to watch movie in this time. And guys, you can see here at first I will show you the demo how it is going to be. You can see here the movie is running over there. I have kept the picture just so how it is going to work. You can see here these are some friends, some peoples, they are watching together by seeing each other reaction. You can just mute the mic and you can just see each other reaction, how they are doing, how they are watching the movie at the moment. And you can just type the message also, or you can share the reaction also. While watching movie there is the minimum person used to message, they used to see each other's reaction, so this is used for this. Otherwise many of the websites or that platform, they have already the message option but they don't have the video option while watching movie. Now I am going to show you how to install and download this. I don't think it is not there to download anything. You can just watch this in web browser only. You don't need to download anything. I'm going to show you the process. Please look step by step, otherwise you are not able to success. Now I'm showing you how is the process. Okay, at first you have to just here write 7 virtual movie together. You can see here 27.xyz. This is the link you have to go through. You can see here after going through that link, you can see here this page you will be getting watch videos with friends across the world. You can, it is not that limited country only that use can see this video, this website. You have to just go to the login and then log in with Google. Okay, after clicking that you will just log in with Google, and after that this page you will be getting. And you can see here after going to log in with Google, wait, sorry, I will just refresh. After login with Google you will be getting this type of page. Okay, and start watching. If you click on this, just me only, you will be admin. And you can see here how to, you will just, you can copy the link and share to your friends. Okay, you just copy link and share to your friends to join this group. And another option is there to manage the room, whoever you want to keep in room, or you have to mute someone, or you have to do someone thing, anything you can do from here, from the admin panel. Or mic, allow all mic or allow the chat, you can just control over here. Now you can see here how much functionalities they have given. YouTube is the functionality for free. Netflix is for the person who have Netflix account, they can only see. We can't use Netflix in free. It is legal only. You can see here Amazon also you have to take account. And HBO, Vimeo, and personal is free. Okay, YouTube is free, this personal is free, and web is free. I will show you what is the work of this personal. Okay, at first you have to install this two extension. Okay, otherwise you can't use anything. Also in YouTube also you need this, in personal also you need this, and web also you need this. You have to go through the web store and just download 7 extension in your Chrome. Add extension in your Chrome. The button will be here, add to Chrome. You can see here I will just go backward and I have typed here 27. Okay, how I have gone there, you just go to Google Chrome and click on here apps, show apps, and go to web store. After going inside the web store you type here 27. Okay, and just click enter. You will be getting this, and after that add to Chrome. After adding in Chrome you will just come here in your previous page, you just go in extension and just play this. And after playing this you will get login here. If login is there, then login with same account whatever you have login it. And after that I will show you the demo. Select a file to watch together. This option is awesome guys. You just go inside your file. If you have any movies, just open. After opening, just go. Participation will download the file from me. Participation already have the file, will load it themselves. They have told, or you can choose any of the option and share. Guys, you can see here this type of page you will be getting, but I will not recommend the personal. I will recommend the YouTube and web. YouTube means you just have to bring the link here and just paste it here. You don't need to do anything. None of your friends have to do anything. They will just simply join your channel and they will watch. After joining the platform, they will watch here and just click on go. I am not putting the link over here because it will show copyright claim in this video. Okay, so I am not keeping any YouTube URL. And you can see here web option is there. Many of the websites they provide free of cost of watching movies online. You can just go over there and just you can, there will be the option, okay, in 2.7 extension, go there and watch on 2.7 extension. You will be getting this. You don't need to do anything. Just go any other website and just click the website name, and if this is the video, okay, just if you play that, just go offside and here will be the option play with 2 extension. Just click here and you will be getting the option play with 2.7 extension. Then if you click on that, you will be getting this type of page. This is the process guys for this. And for you, if you want to see anything in YouTube, okay, if you have movies also, just upload in YouTube by using unlisted. Don't do public, do unlisted, and share the link here and keep the link here and play. You can watch the movie like that also. Or either if you have personal file, then you can watch like this. Or if you have any personal file which you want lagging free, then please upload in drive and share the link here in web, and you can watch the movie here also. And guys, thank you for watching my channel. I think you have got much more information about it, and you will be getting much more videos about this 2.7 extension. If you have any problem, then just go and watch in YouTube that problem also. My work was to show you the path also. I have shown all everything. I think if you're getting any confusion over here, then you can go to any other videos of YouTube. There it will show you the your particular problems according to your particular problem. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you like it.